Power Life Script process is something you developed in your New York Times bestseller, if I understand correctly. What is the Power Life Script process consist of?
Yeah, I developed it back in the 90s actually and started using it back then. And so I realized, like, when I had purchased that home with my Visa, cash advance on my Visa, and knew I had to figure out how to pay for it, I had already been studying personal development at that point for around 15 years. And I knew the importance of the emotional state and impressing that into your subconscious mind through repetition. So I decided, I was already doing affirmations. I was already studying. Had a goal card. I mean, I was doing all these things already, visualization. So I decided that I would script my life, like write a detailed description of my life as I chose for it to be in the present tense, only using positive words with emotional charge. So I could really feel it while I was listening to it. And I wrote it out, I reviewed it, and then I recorded it. And I listened to it over and over and over and over again. Because the truth is, if you hear something over and over again, you will start to believe it, regardless of what the paradigms were before. And as Bob Proctor says, even if it's a lie. So in this case, I was just affirming how I chose to live my life. And I called it a Power Life Script, because it has so much power, because it involves bringing out those emotions. And when you're feeling as if you already have that which you desire, you're tapping into the law of vibration. And the law of vibration means that whatever you're expressing is coming back to you. It's coming, like energy is coming back to you, and everything that's requisite for the fulfillment of whatever that goal or demand is will be revealed to you in time, but you must feel it. And so it was a very effective way to really get into the feeling states. And as far as I'm concerned, it's one of the easiest ways, because now all I do is stick my little earbuds in and push play. Like, how much easier could it be, right? Like, we took the dogs for a walk this morning. I'm listening to my Power Life Script. I was making smoothies, veggie smoothies this morning, and I was listening to my Power Life Script. I was doing laundry earlier this morning, listening to my Power Life Script. I made a homemade soup. I got up really early today. And listen, I was reviewing my emails, this morning, and listening to my Power Life Script. I don't know how many times I listened to it already today, but the point is that what you're allowing into your conscious mind through repetition is being impressed into your subconscious mind. It's your subconscious mind that really is where your paradigms reside. It's like that quote, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." So you can build an identity. Like, it's not only seeing yourself enjoying the things that you would love, it's also affirmations, like you're worthy of success, if that's a paradigm that you need to work on. So it includes the visual aspect of it so that you can see it. It includes the descriptions, and it includes affirmations as well. But the whole point of it is to feel it.
Hey guys, did you like this video? You know what to do. And if something I mentioned today resonated with you, click one of them cards on this screen. I have lots of related content sure to interest you. Thanks as always for your views, and we'll see you next time.